Our planet is the greatest living puzzle in the universe. A collection of worlds within worlds. Each one a network of relationships and connections between all their living parts, leading to the diverse and complex world we live in. And at the heart of many of these worlds is a very special group of animals. The insects, and their close relatives, the arachnids and crustaceans, classed together as the arthropods. Together they account for 80% of all animal species on our planet. In these 3 specials, we're going to explore the connections and relationships that they have with us, our planet, and with each other. Ultimately, to understand how this group hold the key to life itself inside nature's microworlds. Humans evolved around 200,000 years ago into a world that was dominated by the arthropods. In that time, we've learned to live alongside each other, taking the benefits and putting up with some of the annoyances. But do we understand what life would be like without this group of animals? How many of us really know how intricately linked our lives have become, that without the arthropods, life as we know it would not exist? Some even question if survival of the human race would be possible at all. But how can this be? What have the arthropods ever done for us? The ways they affect human life are diverse and far-reaching. And to really understand the importance of this influence, we need to unpick the relationships, both good and bad, that we have with the arthropods. One of the most intriguing ways they influence us occurs in the forests of Kenya. These driver ants are searching for food. They're efficient hunters, moving through the forest like a tidal wave,